Are you ready to immerse yourself in the essence of Italian cuisine? We begin our gastronomic journey with a guided tour of the bustling Florence Central Market, where we meet local vendors and sample the finest Italian produce. Next, at the Towns of Italy Cooking School, aprons on and under the expert guidance of our chef, part of the Towns of Italy staff, we roll up our sleeves and get cooking. It was incredibly fun to learn how to make fresh pasta from scratch, creating the dough and rolling it out to the perfect thickness. We made tagliatelle and ravioli stuffed with ricotta. Then we learned how to cook ragu, a rich and savory meat sauce that pairs perfectly with our homemade tagliatelle. For our ravioli, a creamy cherry tomato sauce left us speechless with its simplicity and flavor. This experience wouldn't have been complete without mastering the art of making tiramisu, one of the most famous and delightful Italian desserts. And the best part? We got to taste everything we cooked, and it was all so delicious. To discover this and other wonderful experiences, check out the link in the bio.